Residents of Kanya Kathar village expressed disappointment over alleged seizure of the land. Good morning and warm welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I am Jirbon Kilingpi bringing you news for this morning. And now the news in detail. In a shocking news that has come to us, the residents of Kanya Kathar village had alleged that their land had been taken away from them in a deceitful manner. Kanya Kathar is an old village, but the villagers were displaced in 2003 during an ethnic clash. The villagers who are now temporarily settled in Manja are seeking help of the public and leaders for the return to their old place, as they are allegedly prevented by Sanju Phangcho, son of retired ACS officer and BJP state executive member Longki Phangcho. The villagers told our correspondent that son of the BJP leader has captured the entire village land in Langbuku area by making pata in his and family members' name. The village, which falls under Rongbang Pathar under Borjan Moja, has now been occupied by the Phangcho family, including grandchildren, with official documents record revealing that a total area land measuring 1950 bighas with 195 each is in their name. The villagers had argued that they are the original inhabitants and that they still have the land patas too. In addition to this, the villagers told that they continue to vote, including the recent state assembly election, with their valid voter IDs that carries their old address even after being displaced in 2003. The villagers also rejected the allegations that their land was sold off, and even the Sarkari Gambura told that they had never issued an OCs for sale of the said land and claimed that he was also unaware about it. The villagers added their village was established in 1960s. Meanwhile, Sanju Phangcho has reportedly filed a case on the claim that the land is under the names and that the patas were approved and issued by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Following this, the villagers have expressed their heart and dismay over the occupation of the land in collusion with the Revenue Department officials under the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, terming that it is a great injustice and unacceptable at any cost. Havar Raikomamai, a committee was formed by the village with the aim to get back the land which have now been captured by a powerful family with direct link with the ruling party. The villagers who want to return back to their permanent area have their livelihood depending on farming and agriculture, which is not possible to sustain from Manja, where they have been temporarily taking shelter following ethnic violence. This incident has brought to fore the trend of big and powerful individuals and families in the hill districts occupying huge tract of land in collusion with the local officials, with land measuring several hundred bighas of land under the family members. Majority of these lands transferred in their names are under rubber plantation and farming, leaving poor villagers with few areas for cultivation and other purposes.
Kanya Katharong na bang so tigrum nang ko ye join ni ke la son hello dan nili tum Kanya Katharong ke dak ke rong barim tame dak likha pora kave kitu ga join ni masi na dang ni tum la dak ke la person ingram chai son sinang tum theklong lo la se la dak arong ke ni tum pudam airport 1960 65 pensila so rong ke kiseng ki do tame la so dang bong nili tum la kheyang bong ka charu pen masi nili tum la dak Kanya Katharong materam tibi la bangso hawar pen nili tum ci unang buksi ha manjalong sin nili tum hanon ko make pudo bomlo sidame non nili tum ci bang thuji pulo ladak nili tum rong barim ladak ci bang thuji pulo masinon ladak nili tum area lo along ke nang cepan lo masih dak arki to poklo.
News Desk report Karbi Anglong Live.
Dikrut sarpo aboha nanglitum anam jum hekpen mesen kichuason longiji kelongjia sonamong lake phak ok kiu phak ok slice fry phak ok kipi phak ok kimong lang ok kiu lang ok fry vo ok kimong vo ok han pendang lok han thu mehek kangmoi kalangdang han serong han pendang lok chomisen ason longiji lapenan parta ajo ka bhaje aphan AC room warsai lapen jongsi komatnia hem birthday party marriage party pendang lok kapre ka saya hut kinangji pusetami longiji kahumri dam nang jadim lake dongmoka lapen contact number ke la ber ki pihenlo la sinani tum humri damra choranesan choramitha dikrut sarpo abohalong.
The Karbis living in Meghalaya's Ribhoi district has organized a 2-day-long Karbi cultural program on the 9th and 10th of April 2021. The program was conducted under the initiative of the Mermain Area Youth Upliftment Association. Here is a report. The cultural event was held at Ason Bitili Cultural Complex, Khulia in Ribhoi district of Meghalaya. Organizers told that the main motive of the program was to preserve and promote the cultural identity of the Karbis living in Meghalaya. On 9 April, the program started with a flag hosting ceremony. It was hosted by the president of Mermain Area Youth Uplift Association, Probingti. In the inaugural day of the program, Karbi traditional sports events like Kambit Ki Up or playing with Sibin, Kidong Kikat or bamboo race, Thai Ki Up or archery, and Metengdang Kilap or making fire from bamboo or wood. Moreover, exhibition of Karbi cultural items was seen in the program site. Karbi traditional dances as well as modern dances were also performed by the cultural artists on day 2 of the event. The songs, dances and culture of the Meghalaya Karbis are alike those of the Karbis living in the Dumra region. Thus, many people from Sonapur and adjacent areas also went to be a part of the program. Among the many dignitaries who attended the program were the chief guest Nongpo MAC, Balajit Rani, and the guest of honor MLA Miralbon Shem, among others. Niturat Ronghang's report from Sonapur for Karbianlong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbianlong Live and stay safe.